and the Honorable Minister, Water Resources, Honorable Sarah Ray Ochebe. We welcome you to the Technology Incubation Center at Jimbukru. This is an organ that is under the Federal Ministry of Science and Technology, and it is a research and development based organ. And in the Technology Incubation Center, we believe this is the seed or the humble beginning of the industrialization of Plateau State. And on the shelf here, you can see some of the products. We will soon be taking you around to see some of the entrepreneurs. Right now, we have 15 entrepreneurs on ground into researching and development of various products, about 36 products. And they have also been able to employ about 81 youths working in the center. So these are some of the products we have, starch, various. We also have technologies in engineering, technology in food production, technology using the Jatova plant to see how we can come up with biodiesel, soap, hair cream, and so many other things. I have the center manager with me, Mr. Dashin, and then the Jos South Local Government Transition Chairman. Yes, that's the, yes, okay.
Is for the commercialization of R&D, as you already mentioned. Research and development, sorry, I'm sorry, sir. Actually, as you said, we already have entrepreneurs on ground. Entrepreneurs on ground who are into production. Government believes, federal government, state government, and all over, they believe that the activities of small and medium-scale enterprises is the foundation of any economy. And so what government is here doing is to encourage the activities of SMEs. And this is divided into three: those under R&D, those under research, innovation, and then there is a local technology. So, Honorable, as we go around, sir, you will see the three aspects. Local technology. Thank you.
This is Ultimate Foods and Confectionery. Here we process soya beans, a local agricultural produce, into various economic and healthy food for the people. So fresh soya milk, fresh soya yogurt, and then the soya, and also the soya milk powder. We also process tomatoes in this place. This is very important because we have realized that we cannot produce enough animal-based protein products to meet the needs of the people, and also the animal is not available and they are very expensive, but we have soya abundantly produced all over the state at a very cheap rate, and we can process these things into a very, very high proteinous food that is very good for the people, even for the health. Because when you use soya products, your life expectancy is very much improved. And again, it helps a lot of people who are having heart problems. There is a lot of heart problems in Nigeria and even other African countries. And with the consumption of soya products, whether in milk form or in the flour form, it is, the people's health will be recovered very quickly. And these things, we do it using local technology and then helping to employ the people also that are out there looking for jobs. The product is Ultimate Fresh Milk. The trade name is Ultimate. And there is soya milk, there is instant powder. We also have tomatoes. We produce tomatoes abundantly in the state. And out of season, the prices becomes 10 times what they were during the peak season, and the farmers lose a lot because there is there's glut. So we want to pick all these products, instead of having glut, produce them into the fresh tomatoes that we like and package them so that people will be able to bridge this gap between the prices during the peak and during the off-season period. So my name is Ngozi Achuko. I am a food technologist. Thank you very much, sir.
No, not here. There's another unit for going.
Yes, sir.
Let's finish.
What we do here is honey, packaging of honey. Honey is gotten from the wild in the bush. We farm it and also gotten part of it from the wild. Honey is a natural product used for many purposes. But here, what we do here is that we package it and make it fit for people to buy in the market. Thank you very much, sir. The technology here, we don't add anything to honey because honey should be sold natural, not adding anything to it. Because in most cases, you go to the market, you see that honey is, some people add sugar, some add other things to make sure they make money, but we don't want to do that one. That's why we're here in this TRC, to make sure people get natural honey from us. Thank you, sir. Yes, we package it to bottle it here. It's not a factory as such. Nobody can package.
Yeah, this is, it has been claimed scientifically that it has, sorry, it has, and besides that, it's natural.
Can this, okay, this is which machine, what does this machine do?
This machine produces chalk. This one is specifically for bringing up the chalk that you see.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And it has a capacity of producing over 100 cartons of chalk a day.
Over
100 cartons of chalk in one day.
The size of carton?
Yeah, no. The real carton, yes. In one
100
day,
cartons a day.
it will produce that for you.
So how much is a carton?
A carton sells for about 600 to 900, depending.
Do you do color chalk, sir?
Yes, we do. We do color chalk. We do color chalk.
What's your market like?
So the market is inexhaustible. In fact, the only problem we have, like I said, is capital. That's been our problem. We need support. We need support. This is from my family. These are my children. In fact, we have a potential of about 15. At a time, we bring in about 15 youths. We employ them anytime we have a small order. So we bring them.
You hire more level?
Yes, we hire more level.
Now, can this machine work with electricity? Can it be connected? Does it have an electric motor?
Indeed, no, sir. You see, you don't need electricity for this kind of machines because no, not at all. So yes, so even in the remote villages, anywhere at all. Yes. Well, I call it DDF. That's fabricated machine. Yes, yes. Form. Yes, fabricated machine. Yes. For chalk. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. God bless you, sir. You are welcome, sir.
Presently, we are on the research of making cold water starch, and already the hot water starch is in the market. We are pushing it. Yes, sir. It's from cassava, and the combination is cassava, borax, ultramarine blue, and then fuel. It's hot water starch. Use it for clothes. Your clothes. Yes, sir. Liquid starch. That's the cold water starch. That's what we are working on. And then we want to be packaging curry and cassava flour. That's what we are working on that now. My name is Isal Lasani. I studied law, diploma in law in Maiduguri. I went into this from the passion I had entrepreneurship. Yes, sir. It was imported from Denmark. Yes, sir. Yeah. We were in Maiduguri before we came here. It was in Maiduguri that we bought it. We wanted to expand our company. We decided, okay, let's come to, because Jos is closer to the raw materials than Maiduguri. So we came back to Jos. What to expect? Well, we left Maiduguri before. The win award, yeah. Yes, sir. We are 7 million there, sir. Yeah. Market, we are creating the market. The whole Nigeria is our potential market. We are creating the market. That's the market, sir. Yeah, they do. Though initially our market was in Maiduguri, because that was where we were. We created the market, but because of this crisis now, in fact, the last product we sent to Maiduguri, now I have been calling the man, he doesn't pick, and I can't leave here. So we are trying to create with them. We have like 7 now. And we have like, anytime we want to work, sometimes we bring in people to come out, extra, to come out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Welcome, sir.
No, 44 is what?
Get his size, 44.
These ones are done here?
Yes, sir.
You can go in
there.
Did you see?
Ma, you go in and see the workshop. Just take them to the workshop.
Okay. I like one. 43.
What's your size? 43?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we package a 43 and a 44 for them?
Because it can support me.
Time up.
Yeah, buy this one. Ajayi, come here, there are more shoes. Ajayi. Buy this one. Ajayi, more shoes, come and negotiate. Buy them.
Properly. The plant is outside, you can look at it. Around here we use it to hedge cleanser. You can use it to wash your hands. That is the entrepreneur Steve Bongi.
My name is Gondi Stephen. I'm an entrepreneur. Gondi Stephen. Yes, sir. I am into biotechnology processing of what Nigerians call waste. Why we call it waste in Nigeria is because less than 10 years ago, nobody knew that you could do something with this. And you have large tonnage of this raw material lying waste out there. Like the shea nuts, if you start from Lantang North, Kanke, specifically Kanke, Lantang North, up to the whole of Nasarawa State, and the shea belt starts from there. Now we're harnessing these raw materials to create opportunity. There are products that are internationally tested. We understand the technology. We're using what is available to create what our people need. So we're meeting the need of society. We're creating employment. And above all, there is something that cannot be said about Africa. You have to do it yourself. Jatofa is a tropical plant. It does not grow in America. And it's very sad that even though it's a tropical plant, the government and the institutions of government that understand the technology behind Jatofa are not promoting it. And if it were growing in America, they would have promoted it. They need an alternative to fossil or hydrocarbon diesel. We have a solution. This product has been tested in 2008. The governor, His Excellency Governor Babajang, came. He set up a committee. The idea was to find alternative energy solutions on the plateau. and we were part of that team. We did a lot of work on the Jatropha plant. We were able to showcase how you can extract about 40% oil from this plant and process through a technology we call trans-esterification to be able to get biodiesel. It has run on different machines from different parts of the world. This is petroleum jelly, but it's harnessed with shea butter, which is what you have here. So we can use this to give our customers a better value for what they buy. Shea butter is one of the most potent raw materials that's ever come out of Africa. For those who understand history, Cleopatra is celebrated for shea butter. Cleopatra. It's one of the condiments, one of the raw materials that she used for beauty enhancement. Shea butter and honey, and it all came from Africa. So these are raw materials that are our own. If we don't celebrate it, nobody's going to do it for us. That's what we're doing here. I'm not a historian. I hate history. Everything you see here is about 3.5 million naira. And it's sad to say that this much we have done. I must compliment two people. Since we came in here 2 years ago, Mr. Dashe, who is the center manager, representing NDTI, and then the commissioner, Mrs. Piuna, they've at different levels tried to see what they can do to really add value to what we're doing. We came in here with 3.5 million naira, we're still running 3.5 million naira. And perhaps we want to use this opportunity to say, look, we're not looking for money. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm not asking for free money. We're only asking for, there are companies in Lagos, in Port Harcourt that, see, we can sit down and do some understanding. We need equipment, and we can add value to everything that we're doing. They've done a lot for us, but we need to do a lot more.
Yes.
Companies, banks are supposed to be networked. Yes, yes. So that should be what we need to love for them.
Yes. Thank you, sir. We have linked some of them with land fund, the construction fund. Some have gotten money from Louis. We are presently working with He did, but he reached almost the last stage, but was knocked out. Yeah. So
it's not the end of it.
Actually,
no inventor is getting easier at the beginning. How many workers do you employ here? 8 workers. What is the market like?
The market, like I told them before, we are not meeting our existing demand.
How much do you make here?
We make an average.
You put it inside your stew. You have the aroma and the flavor of the meat will come out.
Are you packaging it or are you preparing it?
We produce it. And it, yes, sir.
What are your raw materials?
I don't know.
the entrepreneur is not here now.
Okay. Yes, sir.
The staff.
Yes, sir.
Normally they hide certain
Yes, sir.
The wine,
only communal one.
These places, they have NAFDAC. Yeah, we are collaborating at all times. Coming standard organization, NAFDAC. They are always, even now,
they certify their products.
Yeah, we are in the process of registration. We have reached very advanced level. Okay, so we get them registered. In fact, the center is new.
That the market is open for them.
But we have the market in Aba.
Yeah?
Aba. We supply in Aba.
Aba?
Yes, sir.
They come to buy for you?
No, we supply them. They will just call us, then we take it to them.
Okay. This one you call it what?
Holy Communion wine.
Holy Communion wine.
Yes, sir.
What's the name?
Bokno. We supply Coaching Church and some other churches.
Mostly churches?
Yes, sir.
They buy it here?
Yes, sir.
How do you make this one? How do you make this?
Don't know, sir.
How much is a bottle of this one?
This one is 500. And this is communion bread.
Do you make anointing oil too?
No, sir. And this is the bread.
The Holy Communion bread?
Yes, sir.
This one is how much?
This is 200.
200. Give them 1,000. Congratulations. Why is it that boys are not working here? What's the problem? Not 35%. Why is it that?
We just need ourselves there. We don't need boys because they will bring confusion here.
Speak to the end.
We don't need guys here or boys because they will bring confusion on us. We can't focus on doing our things. Yes, sir. We can't work as in normal work. And then we can't meet our targets.
Now you can't meet your target.
We can, but now
that's the machine. It's called the horse archer. Yes. When you put archer there, the horse will yes. Oh, really? The design and produce clear. What's the name of the machine? And this archer, the hauling machine. Okay, now how much do you sell this? Yeah, we sell this 150. That's from us directly. That's direct purchase. Yes. Market price. The market price. Some sell 180, some sell 200. What about this one? This one we sell 400. How much do you have here? Do you have more? That's more products here. For some time now, we have not been producing because we are trying to. So are you going to sell this or for demonstration? And before you go, I will package. Thank you very much. I'm already going, so you better package. Congratulations.
Molding machine is a machine that vibrates and compacts the blocks into solid blocks, and it gives you 9 inches blocks or 6 inches blocks, but hollowed. And this machine is it has a better advantage than the existing ones in the market because it's made of mild steel. And that mild steel, it doesn't crack or it doesn't have any particular problem like in the case of cast iron or aluminum. Like the foreign machine, as you can see over there, is foreign. But that machine is made from cast iron, and cast iron is brittle. You can see that I brought it here for refurbishment. All the parts are broken, which is useless. I can say it's useless because it cannot withstand all the working facilities, the working pressure that has to be applied onto it. But the ones we make here is locally sorted. The materials are locally, and in fact they are better than that one. There are some things we have improved on the machine that the foreign one does not even have. We discover, like the foreign ones, it used to be problem of locking device and pulley. And our own, we have modified the locking device. So you'll discover that the production of this, it gives you higher blocks than even the foreign one. The foreign one, if you're using it, you can hardly get up to 700 blocks. But when you are using our own, you can get up to 1,000 blocks. And
mechanically told that.
okay.
So I pull this out.
Yes, you pull this one out like this, not all completely. Just push it a little bit. When you push this one now will go inside. Yes. As the plate that is here vibrates through what you call the pulley. The pulley is supposed to be connected here, and then there is a belt that will be attached here through the prime mover. And this machine is driven by about 5 horsepower, either diesel or electric motor. So you can the machine will be made. Yes, it can drive. Go inside. Then you just bring it back like this. You just push this one like this. Yes. You hit in the sand. You bring it back here. As you drop, that is called. Your block is done. Yes, the block is done. You continue to produce that one in a continuous process. How many can you produce a day? In fact, they can produce up to 1,000 blocks in a day.
You design this machine here?
Yes, I designed it here, sir.
You design and produce it here? Can we see your factory?
What else do you use?
We are using a mild steel material.
I can see a lot of scrap.
Yes, no, it's good that you call it scrap because as we are seeing it, we are into foundry work also. We will melt all these metals to become steel, to give us to become liquid and give us other parts. So it's not actually a scrap.
Do you have a foundry here?
Yes, we have a foundry there.
Let's go in.
This is a different one. This is a different one. In a day, we have this one. With the car pattern, we have something like car bumpers. We can design it, car parts in short entirely. Because this time around, most of the cars of latest cars come with fiber problems so that to make it a little bit light because of the weight. And so we have it, if something you want to design in your own place, you can do it before. Thank you very much.
And the actual one that I'm on it now. Yes, because requests have been always requests. As an agricultural engineer, this is the problem I've been facing now. Though we have a father, Engineer Kwa, who started a thing like this. So I am using one of his technicians to do this. This work is capital intensive. It's one man who is sponsoring me to do this. We have spent about 48,000 now in doing this. You will look at it as locally as it is. So some of the tools we have, they are crude. We don't have the lead machines and other things around. But if somebody has a machine that wants to do him something, you can bring your request and we do the machines using the local things around us. Don't have to from farm. Yes, it has the same principle like this for dehuling rice. This was Indian made. It was thrown away, but I've activated it for somebody. Okay, all these are for grinding, and for granite shellers, maize shellers. There's something that could be done here, and gari graters and so gari process. There's a lot of market. It's only that people need machines built and kept so that we come and buy without even bargain. But it's capital intensive for some of us to build. Like these machines now, this is selling 70,000 now, but they buy. Yes, completely everything like this.
How long does it take to produce mass?
For mass production that I want to go in, even a week, I can produce about 10 or more. When I employ more hands, sometimes I employ experts so that we do it together.
Where did you school?
Kaduna Polytechnic, Agricultural Engineering Department. And when we, I train students too. I train people from National Director of Employment. And people are working under me too. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Is that madam?
Yes, madam.
Madam, well done. No. We have Mike. Yes, madam. What do you say about your husband's effort?
In fact, I support my husband for the knowledge that God has bestowed upon him. When he said a lot of things for me, I say, how God, if I said I will have a helping hand, I will boost my husband to a level that the world will know about him. That is why I'm supporting him.
See, how are you, baby? Yes, good. Well, okay, madam, well done.
Any metal, you can fold it any size and cut it into different sizes and ages. Of course, this arc welding machine, we use it to weld iron and so many things. Well, that one behind the cameraman is called.
The federal government supplied you.
Yes, just proposes for the entrepreneurs. Yes, free of charge.
Okay. What ministry?
For science and technology.
Where did you get these machines from?
They are imported.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So congratulations. Wannan zai ba ku kudin shan ruwa. Ka zo lafiya.